Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to enter opening bank balance in QuickBooks Online. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to access the chart of accounts. So log in into your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the accounting or settings section. Look for the option to access the chart of accounts and click on it. This section contains a list of all of your accounts including bank accounts. The next step is to locate the bank account requiring an opening balance. Find the bank account in the chart of accounts that requires an opening balance. Click on the account name to access the account details. The following step is to enter the opening balance. So within the account details, look for the option to enter the opening balance. It may be labeled as enter opening balance or add opening balance. Enter the appropriate amount as of the start date of your financial records. Specify whether it's a positive or negative balance depending on whether it's a debit or credit balance. The fourth step is to specify the date and source of the opening balance. So choose the date associated with the opening balance. This is typically the start date of your financial records or the date when you began using QuickBooks Online. Additionally, provide a brief description or reference to indicate the source of the opening balance, such as opening bank statement balance or transfer from another account. The last step is to save the opening balance entry. So review the entered information to ensure accuracy. Double check the bank account, opening balance amount, date and source description. Make any necessary adjustments or corrections. Once you are satisfied with the opening balance entry, click on the save or save and close button to save the entry. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.